the climatic condition. Under the hottest and the wettest condition it grows. Clear? And because of this, area is very limited. You will only find it on the western side of the Western Ghats, where rainfall is very heavy. You will find it in the Andaman Islands and in the extreme northeastern states. You know where Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, all these states are? Clear? There is heavy rainfall. There we find these forests. Got it? So that is the distribution. Now, the last column creates the maximum problem for students. How to remember the names of the trees, how to learn the utility. Now for this particular forest, the most easy thing to remember is all the trees are hardwood trees. Some of the names I'm giving you, though they are there in the book, I'm still giving it to you. You have names like mahogany, ebony, rosewood, and there's one more name, toon. More names are there. Now, all these are hardwood trees, meaning the wood is very strong, very durable. One utility learned for all hardwood trees, whichever forest they come from, they are used for all kinds of construction work and for furniture making. Now, because these are hardwood, they are very expensive. And because they are costly, we do not use it for ordinary things. We use it for costly or expensive furniture. And they are also termite resistant wood, most of them. You know what are termites? Small insects that eat into the wood and totally destroy it. These different types of trees produce such wood which is so durable the termite is not able to eat into it. So that is why the demand is very high, the cost is very high. Utility, please remember, for making costly furniture or for panels of cupboards, of the cupboards we have in our sitting rooms, in our drawing rooms. So that is how you learn the names with the utility. Coming to the second type of forest, the monsoon forests. And you study it together because it helps you to remember the differences. Now, monsoon forests, again, rainfall is important. They grow in areas receiving 100 centimeter to 200 centimeters of rainfall. Temperature is more or less the same. They are all growing in India, and India is a hot country. Tropical climate we have. It is a hot country. Rainfall variations are there. This was very heavy rainfall. This is moderate rainfall. Monsoon forests. Clear? Now, they cover the largest area in India. Practically the whole of central parts of India we have monsoon forests. Now the first thing you need to remember, the trees are not as dense as the rainforests. This comparison you should know. Rainforests are very dense. These are not as dense as the rainforests. There is more gapping or spacing between the trees. As a result, movement is very easy. Transportation becomes easy. The second point, the trees are deciduous trees. And if you remember what you have been taught earlier, deciduous trees have a fixed time for shedding all their leaves. They have a fixed time for shedding all their leaves. And that time is usually the dry season, when they have to store their moisture. Clear? Then, in this forest we have both hard and softwood trees. Both hard and softwood trees are found. So from the commercial point of view, business point of view, these forests are very, very good for earning a profit, for doing business. Fourth point which is in our favor, the trees occur in pure stands. Pure strands means one species is found in a group in one area. One businessman wants to cut down only cinchona trees. From cinchona tree we get quinine, a medicine for malaria. He will not have to hunt all over. In one area he'll find quite a large number of cinchona trees. So that is why economically these forests are the most exploited. Exploited, you understand? Most used forests. And that will be counted as a separate feature. It is dependent upon the third and the fourth point. The fifth point I'm writing in on top. These forests are the most exploited forests. Monsoon deciduous are most exploited. Reasons are mentioned in the previous points are there in the same column. Because both hardwood and softwood trees are found. Because the trees occur in pure strands. Because there is possibility of transportation. That is in the first point. Okay? There is possibility of transportation, so they can cut down and bring it out. And use it for commercial purposes. So, these are the most important, the first two types of forests. Clear? And under monsoon forest, what becomes difficult is the names of trees. Few hardwood trees which you should be knowing, I am mentioning them, is teak and sal. Both are hardwood trees, costly and in great demand. The Hindi names, if you know, Sagwan and Sakhua. Clear? They have a lot of importance. So they are used for various type of construction works. And a variety of purposes they serve. Other than this, we have softwood trees also in these forests. For example, sandalwood. You have heard of Chandan? This is a softwood tree. Clear? We have Semal also. This is a softwood, white color the wood is. So softwood trees are used for decoration pieces like sandalwood. Variety of idols and all are made. Decoration pieces are made. Cosmetics are made. Clear? Whether it's soap or a powder or face cream. The Semal powder, the wood is used for toys, toy making, and for kitchen utensils. Certain kitchen tools which we need. Clear? So, this is how you break up in the chart and learn. In the beginning, it will be difficult, and every day I will not give an assignment because I want all the students to read the chapters repeatedly, to become familiar with the terms. Clear? 3 more names are here, as I mentioned them. If you are in the mood, and you want to do it, complete the chart. Otherwise, I'll be taking you through the remaining part, and then we will progress into forest conservation. So I conclude half the chapter over here. Thank you for today.